In previous grammar lessons, we have learned how to use the indefinite article a or an and the definite article the. Sometimes article is not used with noun. Omission of article is named as zero article. It's also known as zero determiner. Hi, this is Sujata from Bliss Vibes Learning English. I am going to share some specific situations where noun or noun phrase is not preceded by an article. So let's start. We don't use an article with plural countable noun and uncountable noun. Dogs loves to eat chicken. In this sentence, the word dogs is plural countable noun and chicken is used as uncountable noun. A parrot loves to eat fruit. Fruit is used as uncountable noun in this sentence. We don't use an article while talking things in general. Water is good for us. That means water is good for everyone. Life is so hard for slum dweller. That means all life for all slum dweller is very hard. We don't use an article in exclamation with what plus uncountable noun. What pleasant weather. What delicious food. Don't say what a pleasant weather or what a delicious food, as weather and food are uncountable nouns. We don't use an article before names of sports and games, streets, countries, languages, meals. Before names of sports and games, soccer, countries, Japan, languages, Japanese, meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner. Article is not used before names of streets, Lansdowne Street, towns, Alipurduar, buildings, British Broadcasting House, single mountain, Kanchenjunga. We use article with mountain ranges, but we don't use article with single mountain. We also don't use an article with some phrases like by money order, by bus, on foot. By money order. Please send fees by money order. By bus, by train, by air. I will reach there by bus. On foot. We used to go to school on foot or walking. We don't use an article before some words in their institutional sense. School, college, camp, class. For example, our school organized camp for NCC training. We also don't use an article before names of festivals, diseases. Festivals. Durga Puja is a big festival of Kolkata. Diseases. She is suffering from high fever. Article is not used in expression with bed, work, home, etc. I am at work now. Don't say I am at the work now. Don't go out, stay at home. Don't say stay at the home. When do you go to bed? Don't say when do you go to the bed. Today we have learned how to use zero article. I hope all of you enjoyed these lessons. For more tutorial videos on English grammar and English language, please stay with us and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.